Chairman, in terms of rights and welfare of professional athletes, especially po in smaller or lesser-known sports, paano niyo po nababalanse yung pagprotekta sa mga ito, sir, na hindi lang po tayo nakafocus dun sa mas mga kilalang liga and at the same time mas kilalang sports?
Well, we apply our regulations evenly.
Mhm.
The rules apply to big leagues and smaller ones. So we don't discriminate. Pare-pareho yung treatment po namin dyan.
Well, that's good to know, sir. Sir, in terms of, may reports po ba yung mga minsan athletes or team staff regarding unpaid or contracts or minsan they are working under extreme conditions, may mga ganun po. May mga natatanggap po ba kayong report ukol po doon?
Meron. A few months back, there were players, I'll not mention the name of the league, who were complaining that they were not paid their salaries. In certain cases, 2-3 months of unpaid salaries were the subject of their complaints. And then what we did there was call the attention of the owners, the owners of the teams. And based on our experience, eventually they were paid.
Talagang kilos din po agad.
Because of that, there's no outstanding complaints at the Games and Amusements Board regarding unpaid wages.
Grabe, ang bilis pala kumilos ng Games and Amusement Board. Chairman, nabanggit nyo na nga po yung team na parang hindi nabayaran. Chairman, recently lang nagkaroon po ng issue sa isang koponan sa NCAA. Although this is a collegiate league, pwede rin po ba nila i-raise sa inyo yung concern o different body yung mag-handle po nito?
It would be a different body because the NCAA is not a professional league. So it won't fall within our jurisdiction.